Welcome to yet another episode of
What Have We Here?
I am Anu,
I'm&Hetal.
and in today's episode, we are going to be sharing with you what we did during these quarantimes.
What are quarantimes, you ask? Well, we're still stuck in a lockdown and we need to somehow pass the time, so we decided why not take up some productive activities.
So this time, we decided to take up photography hacks. We've not used any kind of fancy cameras, you guys. We've only used our phones.
Basically, we have been talking between three phones: iPhone, OnePlus 5T, and Nokia.
And we've made sure that we just kind of took these photos and we've not edited them. So we have not used any kind of editing softwares. We have not used Photoshop. We've not even sharpened or anything on the images. We are going to be presenting these images to you as it is, as they have been shot on.
What we have noticed is when these people, they show you the hacks and they reveal the end picture, they are always touched up. So we decided not to touch them up, but actually show you how the photo comes using whatever hacks that they have shown.
So that's what we did. We used the hack and we've taken the pictures.
And since we are not allowed to go outdoors, we try to incorporate these hacks just sitting in our window. A lot of daylight in the house, it's usually very restricted time of 30 minutes to 45 minutes. We try to squeeze in whatever outdoor hacks that we could, and we try to take them indoors rather than actually stepping outside during these times. So continue watching the video and find out how they've turned out.
Let's dive into the video.
For the first hack, we have used a lace tablecloth which has helped us to cast really wonderful shadows and take amazing pictures. We thoroughly enjoyed doing this because the sun was amazing. So here we are going to show you some amazing shots.
For the next hack, you need a phone and a TV, or even a laptop screen will do. And you need a really good background image. Here we have taken an image of light, and the subject just needs to stand in front of it and take pictures. Come, we'll show you some results.
For the next effect, all you need is a leaf and a phone. All you need to do is hold the leaf a little closer to your camera just so it creates a nice and blurry effect.
For the next hack, you just need two phones with really bright fluorescent screens as background. But you can see the results are outstanding in the dark.
For the next hack, all we needed was a CD, a phone, and some sunlight. The sunlight casted off from the CD an amazing spectrum of colors and gave us some really amazing shots.
For the next hack, you need some string lights, lots of darkness, and this will give you a beautiful magical effect on your photos.
For this next hack, all you need is a pair of sunglasses. You can use any sunglasses that have a nice shading effect to them. These give out a really amazing ambient effect.
For the next hack, people have used photo frames, but we have just sprayed water over our window pane, and you can see it gives the same rain effect to the photos. Here are some of our shots.
So we hope that you enjoyed all the hacks that we tried and the photos that came out. Do put down the comments and tell us how you've enjoyed this video. Also share if there are any kind of hacks that you guys tried during these times.
Let us know which hacks were your favorites and what photos did you like out of them the best. Make sure you use the hashtag Quarantimes when you share them. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment as much as you can in our video.
But if there is anything that you guys want to see specifically, do mention the same in the comment
If
section.
you want to see what other fun we had while making this video, don't forget to check out our bloopers at the end of this video. And that's all for today's video. Bye!
So let's get into the video.
Let's dive into it.
We hope that you enjoyed the video. Do not. Let me finish and then okay. No, where was I? Forgot. Hi guys, welcome to What Have We Here? Welcome to What Have We Here? And hence, sort of.
What is this? Give a reason.
Okay, fine.
Let me show you.
Okay, tell me, let's just start.
Don't laugh.
Do it. We've been just toggling between 3 phones. That's all for today's video. Bye!